Could be crank signal. Hey, this is Ellwein Engines. I'm doing ERE number 107. This is Richard Gatling's. It is not an LT4, but it goes in his 94 Corvette. The first time I videotaped the dyno process, or the hookup process. We're hoping that this fits. Alright, gotta do a video intro here. This is a dyno day for engine number 107, Richard Gatling's Corvette. It's a 383. And here it is on the dyno. We're waiting for the tuner, Zach. Camshaft is by advanced induction. Now this was just a rebuild. And why would I say just a rebuild? Well, I mean, I didn't spec anything, but it already had good parts. Advanced induction cam, a 229 234 duration, and a 613 lift camshaft, advanced induction CNC ported aluminum heads, GM heads, and it's a forged 383. So that in a nutshell. It's going to get broken in on the dyno, and it's not going to be tuned, so to speak, for the street, but it's just going to be tuned so that we can break it in. And hope you enjoy. Hope it works out well. Let's walk around the engine here. Y-band 02 for the Holly here. My Holly Terminator here. It's not as complicated as it looks. You just plug everything in to the, you basically injectors, map, but we're actually using the Holly built-in manifold. You could use external, but we're not. Just a few more sensors. You just do throttle position, idle air motor, intake air temp. That's not the best way, but anyway, we don't have intake ducting. Then crank and cam send signals using the torque head signal kit. You can also, not that it's needed, but you can do fuel pressure, which I have right here, oil pressure. Feed all that to the Holly. Got oil pressure here. Plug in the coils, the torque head kit, and you're done with your plugs. You got to make sure you have proper grounding, and you got to make sure that the Holly Terminator is direct to the battery. That's this here. I'm using a relay system here so that it goes to the fuel pump and it goes to the water pump. It initially seems pretty complicated, lots of wires, but realize it's the first 1 or 2 times you do it, it gets easier and easier and more intuitive. All right, so hopefully Zach will be here, and stick with me because this thing's going to be starting up soon. Could be crank signal.
Everything's going way lean.
Can we give it some three? Can we give it some RPM so we can get the rings in? What do you think?
I mean, that right there is not bad. But
Right there? Yeah, right there.
if in fact that fuel pressure sensor you have on there is reading correctly, the fuel pressure is low as well.
Fuel pressure is what?
Only 30 pounds.
Oh, I'll go look at the gauge. Because it was reading it accurate. Good, yeah. I'm gonna go look at the pipes just for the rings. It looks clean.
Yeah, but either something's wrong with that wideband or the injectors. 100%. If you want to hold it there, I'm gonna go ahead and try to see the cylinder.
Okay.
Look how dark this one is and this one, but look at number 4. Isn't?
Yeah. Yep, exactly. That makes sense. So I'll get I wonder what other kind of set of injectors I can get.
We can use your red ones.
Yeah.
Are they clean?
They're fresh, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. We can use the red ones.
Yeah, they're fresh.
We've used those on the dyno, I think, before, or no?
You don't want to do it today, do you? You want to do it?
Do you have them?
Not with me.
Okay.
No, it'd be a 2 hours.
Yeah.
So. We'll just do it next time we go through. Second gear on my access road. You might be able to hear the rumble.